Mesure où je n'ai même pas pensé à préparer un petit discours de circonstance s'agissant de la thématique d'aujourd'hui, mais comme elle m'a un peu forcé la main de venir parler un peu des grandes lignes de ce colloque ou de cette réunion, tout simplement je dirais que la thématique d'aujourd'hui qui tourne autour ou qui s'axe essentiellement autour des problèmes de civisme ou de citoyenneté en général, se situe dans le centre essentiel du concept de la citoyenneté. Ce séminaire, me semble-t-il, va traiter de tous les aspects qui touchent le civisme, la citoyenneté, et ainsi, pour pouvoir promouvoir ces valeurs au sein de notre société, éventuellement, apporter beaucoup plus de qualité à la pratique quotidienne de ce qu'un citoyen algérien est censé apporter comme contribution au sein de sa société. Voilà, je crois que je me suis un tout petit peu débrouillé à prononcer quelque chose et je cède la parole immédiatement à mon collègue professeur Nidjaï Mohamed Saleh pour voilà.
Merci de m'avoir passé la balle.
Renvoyer la balle plutôt.
Pour me prendre encore une fois de plus court que toi. Alors, يا الخلفي الهان يرقز النبهان الزول مقرم في اللون. This is, I believe, where we should have all started, since we are in an Amazigh region and in an Amazigh university. Having said that, very briefly, anytime I come back to Béjaïa, I feel more than at home. It is a place I know since 1968, and it is a form of pilgrimage to me. Each one has her own pilgrimage. This is mine. So what is more important than, ladies and gentlemen, is first to thank all the organizers and all those who have contributed to the organization of this event. And I would like to pay from this and for this tribune a special tribute to Dr. Maouche Salima. I am also pleased to announce to everybody that Béjaïa University has signed a convention with Batna University, and we are both working on the international conference on research methodology to be organized next year, and it is going to be the 5th edition by Béjaïa University. Other universities have also signed a convention with Batna II University, namely Saïda University and Bishar University. And of course, the door is open to all Algerian universities and to other universities from Tunisia, because we have started and initiated that conference with Tunisian colleagues, and we are hoping to expand it, to enlarge it to, shall I say, all North African countries. Now, what shall I say about Professor Saadi? I do not think he is that sick or ill. Perhaps he could not make it for other reasons, because I believe he's fit. And I met him some 2-3 days ago in a Viva doctorate examination. لازم نكشفه. And I believe this is part of civic education, to say the truth, but only the truth, every time we decide to say something. Well, this is just as a beginning. I believe that the topic is more than important because I am old enough to say here and now and to assert with evidence that instead of constructing a nation, we have missed the main objective. And as I usually say, for decades and decades, we have succeeded in constructing our own failure. Because right at the beginning, we missed to transmit our ancestors' values and norms to the new generations. And when I look at my own children, they are so different from me that I, unfortunately, harmfully feel that concrete existing gap between old generations and new ones. Now, that the problem is clearly identified, I believe that it is high time that not only teachers, academics, scientific people, scholars, but also those who are truly decision makers, high time to do something about this problem. As an example, when people say that we have learned from the British, ladies first, I say, this is what I have learned from my fathers. And my father used to give priority to my mother. And this is what I try to do with my own wife. And I hope before I go, pass away forever, that I see that we have returned back to our true values, containing respect for the other, love of work, love of studies, love of cleanness, love of everything that it is positive. And if we are true believers and true Muslims, all these elements do exist in our religion. Ladies and gentlemen, I might keep talking for hours and hours, but I would like to give it an end right here. Be or not be?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Laja'i and Professor Kiskes. Well, this year we dedicate the conference to Professor Sadi. Next year, inshallah, to another professor of merit.